Hello guys, let's crochet the dragon stacking toy today. So the main part of this toy is actually stroke, which keep all parts together. Also we might do 4 rings, and afterwards we will add some small details to each one, like legs, arms and wings and so on. And as I already said, the main part is that stroke. Yes, please enjoy. And now it's time for our main part, for the stroke. Why it's the main part? Because it's holding all our rings and head of our stacking toy. We will start with 6 single crochet in our magic ring. You already saw multiple times how to do magic ring, how to do single crochet on it. So just 16 single crochet for our first row in magic ring, it would be enough. Always first to mention that we intend to do just back loop only, so all loops we wouldn't grab 2 parts of our loop, we will grab just back one. In our second row, we do 6 increases, or increase and repeat it 6 times. So by saying increase, I mean we put in 1 loop, 2 single crochet. In this third row, we will do 1 increase and 1 single crochet, and this pattern we will repeat 6 times, and in the end of our row we will receive 18 single crochet on it. For the first row, we will do pattern of 1 increase and 2 single crochet. We repeat this pattern 6 times, and we will receive 24 single crochet in the end of our row. Again, just back loop only. For the fifth one row, we will do the pattern of 1 increase and 3 single crochet, and we repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end of our row we will receive 30 single crochet on it. On the sixth row, we will do 1 increase and 6 single crochet. This pattern we repeat 6 times, and we will receive 36 single crochet in the end of our row. On the seventh row, we will do 1 increase, 5 single crochet, and this pattern we repeat 6 times, and we will receive 42 single crochet in the end of our row. The eighth row, we will repeat just 42 single crochet on it. On the ninth row, we do a little decrease, so the pattern will contain 1 decrease and 5 single crochet. This pattern we repeat 6 times, and in the end of our row we might receive 36 single crochet on it. The next 2 rows, 10th and 11th one, we will do 36 single crochet on them. On the 12th row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease, 4 single crochet, and repeat this pattern 6 times, and we might receive 30 single crochet in the end of our row. On 13th row, we will do 30 single crochet on it. On the next 14th row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease and 13 single crochet, and we repeat this pattern 2 times, and we might receive 22 single crochet on it. Then from the row 15 till 20, we will do 28 single crochet on each of them. First one row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease and 5 single crochet on it, and this pattern we will repeat 4 times, and we might receive 24 single crochet in the end of our row. From 22nd till 23rd row, we will do 24 single crochet on both of them. On 24th row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease and 10 single crochet. This pattern we will repeat 2 times, and we might receive 22 single crochet in the end of our row. From 25th one till 34th one row, we will do 22 single crochet on each of them. On 25th one row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease and 9 single crochet. This pattern we will repeat 2 times, and we might receive 20 single crochet in the end of it. Then from the row 36 till 44, we will do 20 single crochet. On 45th one row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease and 8 single crochet. We repeat this pattern 2 times, and we might receive 18 single crochet on our row. For 46th one row, we will do pattern of 1 decrease and 1 single crochet. We repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end on our row we will receive 12 single crochet. The 47th row will contain just 6 decreases, or we repeat decreases 6 times, and in the end of it we might receive just 6 single crochet. The next step is sewing. We just cut the yarn, not so long, not so short, and we will collapse all our end like 6 loops together, or just sew them. So, and there are just a couple small steps left for just small parts, and the main all main parts already done, like ring, stroke, and yeah, it's already look like a stacking toy.